Akenya aria makoretwo metereire kwamukira njanjo muthemba wa Pfizer ni moretio kwiyumiria ceceni-ini cia uheani wa njanjo kuona njanjo ino ni gukorwo igikinya ceceni-ini ici kwambiriria kiumia giukite. Hindi ya iceera ria kamitii ya Senate igii ugima wa mwiri thito-ini ya njanjo mwena wa Kitengela, muikariri giti wa kamitii ya uheani wa njanjo Willis Akwale augite ni undu wa migire ya mwanya ya njanjo ino ifatie gutumurwo o riria kuri na andu aiganu a kumiamukira mbere ya ihinda riayo ria guthuka.
So more important, it will be the day the county opens it, then it has 30 days after which it expires, and that's why we've given guidance, and that's why we want pre-registration. We want to know how many people will be there, and we take that Pfizer there.
Uheani wa njanjo ino uracerithĩirio kumana na wagi wa muthemba wa mwanya wa syringe iria cibatie kuhuthika indi ni itanyitwo gukorwo igikinya guku bururi-ini kuma bururi wa America muthenya wa rucio.
We are working as one government to be able to address any challenges that we're facing. You have heard the senators. I think they have spoken their minds. They have said what they have seen here. I'm happy to note that they're quite pleased with what's happening here and what's happening in the vaccine program.
Akiaria hindi ya iceera riri muikariri giti wa kamitii ya Senate igii ugima wa mwiri Ledama Olekina ni oritie thirikari cia county kurutithania wira na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niguo gukinyaniria uheani wa njanjo.
We know there is a lot of money that was given to the national government by partner agencies. We know there is a lot of money that was given to the county government. I know county governments were given about 5 billion shillings. We need, that money was given not for other activities. It was given specifically for COVID-19.
Thirikari cia county oho ikiurio kuyukia wigiririki wa gutwarithia na mbere kampeni ya uheani wa njanjo kuri muingi kuona namba nene ndiriretekera kwiyumiria.
He understands that these vaccines are important for us to protect ourselves individually, to protect our families, but more importantly to protect our nation and the well-being of our nation.
Handu-ini ha Kamitii TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.